How's it going? James Online Car Show. Got a real quick video for y'all today on some ZL1Addons wheel spacers. So without hesitation, let's get this video started. Alright, well, the wheel spacers are actually already on the car in this video. ZL1Addons, hands off to them. They have excellent products so far. Everything I've tested from them has been top notch. Even their box and marketing material. I mean, look at this. Just for wheel spacers, that's awesome. They do have, it says, a 2mm, 3mm, and a 5mm. I didn't see the 2mm on their website, so it may just be the 3 and the 5. For this one, for my car, I did decide to go with the 3mm. I know a couple people that have the 5mm and said that they've had zero issues with it. But getting into that subject, you know, wheel spacers, and just kind of add a disclaimer for my channel, wheel spacers are, you know, it's taking your vehicle beyond factory specs. You're changing, you know, the alignment of the hub and the wheel, and you're adding a space there, which, you know, means less lug bite on the lug nuts. You know, I'm not condoning the use of wheel spacers or anything like that. I personally don't have a problem with them and is willing to take that risk on my vehicle. They will be coming off at the drag strip in any kind of racing event, and don't plan to take any hard corners or hard acceleration with them on the vehicle. So with that being said, I think they look a lot better because they bring in, as you can see, the line of the wheel or the tire with the end of the fender, just like it is in the front. You know, it kind of gives that balance and semblance. So I think they ended up, you know, for $35, ended up adding a little more aggressive look to the car, and I think balancing out the look. Also, to get into that, the price of it, the ZL1Addons, as you know, $35 for wheel spacers is pretty high price. I mean, I got a price at a wheel and tire store near my house, you know, $5 or $10 for some little plates. Why I decided to go with ZL1Addons, you know, a big name and a quality product, was for the fact that if you are going to put wheel spacers on your car, you want to make sure that that inner ring of the wheel spacers matches the hub of the wheel you're putting it on. You don't want the wheel spacer to bang around in there, and that's one thing you can trust with the ZL1Addon stuff. You know, it's actually meant for the Camaro, so the fitment was just right. And that's kind of what you're looking for if you do decide to put wheel spacers on your car. So now I'm going to get into, I guess, some before and after footage I shot, and leaving the camera in the same spot so y'all can see the difference. It's very minute, but it does just kind of add a little bit more aggressive look to it. Also, be sure to leave any comments you guys might have about the wheel spacers, ZL1Addons wheel spacers, or, you know, general wheel spacer discussion. You know, and go through the comments and all that before you decide if you're a little bit on edge about adding wheel spacers to your vehicle, and see what other people have said about it. Don't just take my word for it. Do your research, you know. Please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button below. You can get these ZL1Addons. I know there's cheaper versions out there. You can pick up probably any tire auto store if you really want to go cheap. But these are very well built. They feel like they're aluminum. Everything from ZL1Addons, excellent quality. And being these are in kind of a sensitive spot, being a wheel spacer, just thought it was best to go with them. Here's the before. I'm going to leave it zoomed in right there, and I'll show you all the after when I'm done. And there's the after. As you can see, it just kind of lines everything up nicely with the fender well. Works good. Just make sure your bolts are extra tight now that you've got less thread pattern on them. which you can see it adds very little change. It just kind of, as I said, flushes the wheel with the wheel well there and balances out the look a little bit. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. As I said, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got a lot of exciting content coming up. I've got some LED lights for the license plate frame here. We're gonna replace these that have already gone out on me. And I've got more Camaro swag content coming, and of course the drag racing is coming January, so a lot of exciting content coming to the channel. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Y'all have a great week.